How many positive factors does 23,232 have? A. 9. B. 12. C. 28. D. 36. E. 42. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. To count the factors, we first find the prime factorization. 23,232 is even, so we keep dividing by 2. Pulling out 6 2's leaves 363. So the number is 2 to the 6th times 363. Now factor 363. It is 3 times 121. And 121 is 11 squared. Putting it together, the number equals 2 to the 6th times 3 times 11 squared. To count positive factors, add 1 to each exponent and multiply. The exponents are 6, 1, and 2. So we compute 7 times 2 times 3, which equals 42. So 23,232 has 42 positive factors. The answer is 42.